How to fix beta updates not showing on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Mishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Just in case if beta updates are not showing, then firstly make sure that you are enrolled. So make sure that you have signed in with your Apple ID and accepted the terms and services of Apple, and you can simply then wait a minute or two and see if that helps. If not, then open settings and tap on your name on top of your screen and make sure that you are logged in with correct Apple ID and make sure it's the same account that you used to sign up for beta updates. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application again and then tap on general and then on software update. Here tap on beta updates option, and if it appears, select the iOS developer beta option you see there or public beta option. And if it does not appear, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart refreshes Apple's update server's connection. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and scroll down to the bottom and tap on the sign out option. Sign yourself out and then restart and then sign in again and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Reset your network settings, as this can fix update server connection issues. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply wait some time, as sometimes the server might be down. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix beta updates not showing on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.